Hello everyone, I'm Kashish and you're watching Kitty Corner of Feels. I'm back with episode 5 of Sammy's Children's Day, and last episode ended with Chosan's graduation, and we had a new entry, a police officer who is after drug dealers, and we don't know who he is in the show. Like, is he going to be part of the love triangle? Is there going to be a love triangle, or is he like a second lead, lead of a second couple if there is going to be one? But he is going to be a problem because Louis' work is drug dealing, like he deals with drugs and stuff, and he seems to be a really I don't know what's the word for that police officer who is very fair and raises the flag of justice. So he is going to create problems for Louis. We'll see how that's going to go on, and after graduation, how their relationship is going to turn to be. Like, Chosan was really happy when Louis came to his graduation, and he was very excited about it. So definitely they're not separating at all. Like, they're going to continue that relationship, whatever they have a little bit going on, and how it is going to develop into something. So yes, let's start with the episode 5. Here he is. It's like, here's your damn bouquet. You wanted one? That's smug.
阿肥啊，我幫你影兩張啊！好啊好啊好啊！
畢業快樂！你都遲晒到啦，畢業典禮都結束咗啦。唔好咁多聲氣啦，好多嘢做啊嘛。畢業流程可唔可以再嚟多次啊？嚇？畢業證書我都攞到啦，校長都走咗啦。頂，咁我咪白嚟一趟？唔得，我去揾校長。等陣。
Yeah, no need for that. Pictures are enough.
我已經好開心㗎啦。
我知啊。
嚇？
我知啊。
今晚城寨廣場要放露天電影，阿爸同肥姐都想去啊，你要唔要一齊啊？
唉，
A movie date.
睇唔睇啊？
How can you say no to those eyes? The way he's looking at him, of course he's going to say yes. He's so happy with that bouquet. Chosan is so low maintenance.
好簡單啫。阿爸，你坐呢度啊。誒，唔使，我坐呢張得㗎啦，坐呢張得㗎啦。
A family date, kind of double date.
辛苦你啦。辛苦阿肥啊。你啊濕碎啦。
Cute. Godfather, they're watching Godfather.
有嘢睇啊！有嘢。我同你哋講啊，正版碟咧，淨係我先可以攞到㗎咋，其他人都係睇老翻㗎咋，係咪好犀利啊？花師費咧你，買個大佬，真係 VCD 都識用。
He's part of the family now.
你坐啊！唔該晒啊！我咧要望住心中人先食得落㗎。酒嚟啦！呢程咧係我浸咗10年嘅壯骨酒啊！
Wow.
喺10年咁耐
10 years, yeah.
邊場唔少嗰啲名貴中草藥啊！總之咧，大補。哎呀，乜神正豆啊！一定要好地試下，好地試下。係啊，我知個獅子頭咧好絕㗎，好正㗎！嚟。
I love how he's so easily accepted in the family.
講兩句先。左三，阿爸有你呢個仔，係爸嘅福氣。你未飲過酒嘅，舐下得㗎啦，啊！呢一杯咧，阿爸升嘅。
咁我都飲晒佢。
First time drinking alcohol, man. He's gonna be so drunk.
順順利利，開開心心，最緊要咧就係身體健康啊！嗱，你唔使飲，我飲剩啊！
哎呀，肥咁飲得
Let's
嘅咩
increase
嚇？
it.
咁啊，我都飲晒啊，多謝肥姐。
Don't drink that much, my guy.
喂，同我都飲翻杯啊！
Why?
你算吧啦，睇電影啦。 做咩啫？喂，你同何蘇同埋肥姐都飲咗，唔同我飲，即係唔俾面我咯。
He doesn't consider you older than him.
飲啊！我望住你㗎。
起快啊！
喂，呢出戲都幾好睇喎。
梗係好睇啦。
Hey. 你
啊，個新娘咧戴住個頭紗係好靚喎，
係啊，
白白淨淨啲女下巴
What's going on there?
我最中意馬龍白蘭度
哇，點解佢要叫白蘭地啊？嚇，好似係酒名嚟嘅喎。
白蘭度啊，肥姐。
白蘭度啊！
白蘭度定係白蘭地啊？
哇！
He finally got a family. Leah.
阿肥，
The ship is sailing. What? Look at them. First of all, look at yourself. You love fools. He is actually handling that alcohol really well for the first time. I don't know much about alcohols, but definitely first time is not that good.
你受傷啊？冇啊。
Did you get into a fight? Right. No smoking.
好。
Yeah, he is drunk. Dry those flowers and preserve them. Oh, he's so beautiful. Sunflowers. Sunflowers are really pretty.
喂，陸仔，嚟我哋七哥地。
That's why he was late. Or he would have been on time. Oh my god. Okay. Don't you dare touch the flowers. No, 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 not the flowers. But that's so. He wasn't supposed to be late.
中唔中意啊？
He loves them.
中意啊！
Both of them are so pretty.
苦心等待嗎？寧可等
Singing
思
song.
念吧，請不必害怕。夏綠一，你今日好開心喎。
Because of you.
有一個可以令我覺得安全嘅地方，
Yeah.
我就覺得好開心。咁你以後 可以一直住喺呢度。
Please do. That's a proposal.
好。
Don't tell me. Don't tell me.
可唔可以俾我食一啖？ 俾我。
Are we getting an indirect kiss or a direct kiss? Okay. An accidental kiss?
何初三，你真係中意食罐仔糖？
He likes you. Out and open. Not the pillow. Not the pillow. Oh my god. He cares for him so much. He doesn't want him to get hurt. The hands, the hands, the hands. I love the small gestures during an intimate scene. Whoa, that's strong light. I didn't know we were getting a kiss in this episode. It's not even a kiss, it's full on makeout session. Oof. Guys. I know they are both drunk. So what's going to be their reaction when they are fully awake? Get married already. Yeah. What the reaction? Is Leah gone? Is he still there? He is still there. Did you go further than?
我點會發呢種夢嘅？
That wasn't a dream, my guy. Did they go full on? Or was it just a makeout session?
要食
One
自己攞
second.
啦，冇咗喎。
No, it was just a dream. It was just a dream. It was just a dream. I thought they actually kissed. They didn't. Why?
你估就？
塞車唔好意思。
喂，聽講啦，
頭先嘅發言講得好好喎。
And he did save your life as well, so that's even the gratitude thing.
謝 Sir 咧係警隊嘅精英嚟嘅，前途咧無可限量啊！
係啊係啊，依家謝 Sir 咧係史上最後生嘅高級警司啊！謝處長個仔真係犀利，年輕有為啊！
多謝多謝。
阿華，
誒，華探
阿華
長嚟啦，
James.
認得我啦？我係華叔叔啊，咁高大。喂，我仲記得20幾年前找寶嗰陣，佢成枱嘢咩都睇唔清嘅，但係一嘢咧就找咗佢阿爸嗰個警徽入手啦。
係啊，
犀利！嗰陣我知道呢個細路啊，整定佢係做差佬嘅。
我同你講呢
Okay, he's not happy to see the uncle.
佢回國之後上任，即刻就冚咗九龍最令人頭赤嗰個毒販啊！
哇，
犀利
叻仔喎
真係犀利啊！係啊，
你留喺 O 記啊，認真屈才啦。遲啲調去九龍西總區警司、副警司呢個位 uncle 幫你留住嘅。
哇！恭喜晒
恭喜晒啊！
I don't think so. He wants to be that.
華總警司啊，唔講以為九龍西總區係你屋企開嘅添。人員調動咧，要遵章守法。我哋係警察嚟嘅，要守住法律嘅底線，更加唔能夠
Okay.
監守自盜。
Okay.
嚟飲杯嚇。
Hello sir，
Now who is he? The dad?
阿華，恭喜晒喎！
爹哋嚟咗嘅，
華仔，你今日好威水啊！今日咧，大家唔使理我嘅，我嘅身份咧只係 James 嘅爹哋，大家請自別啦。
嗰邊坐。Thank you。爹哋，其實你咁忙，我呢單細 case，你冇必要特登過嚟啊？
咩細 case 啊？為禍多年嘅毒梟，成條販毒鏈，你爹哋多成世差，都冇辦過幾次咁靚嘅細 case 啊！係啦，今次任務你有冇受傷啊？
冇啊。
Okay, so the dad is good.
過敏咯。
Huh? Mm? That doesn't seem to be like
我知
a
你一個人照顧唔到自己㗎啦。喂，你
allergy.
佢咧，
爹哋啊，我淨係想好似爹哋咁，做一個優秀嘅警察。徐保安啊，伸張正義。
咁都唔可以齋顧住做嘢㗎，係時候啦。
知㗎啦。
Does he have a lover? That's why he doesn't want to get married. Okay. Okay, my guy.
Excuse me。
Got it. Okay, they are like the second couple. That's where he got the allergy from. They are crazy.
你係咪警務副處長謝英傑謝 Sir？
係我。
你好，我叫陸光明，
陸光明
啱啱喺公署係協助調查員。你係我自細嘅偶像，你嘅正直激勵我行上執法之路。
多謝，客氣啦。
我可唔可以坐低同你傾下？
唔得喎。
阿華，唔好意思啊，嘉華性格咧比較內向，冇幾個朋友。
Introverted.
今日嚟嘅基本都係佢同事，我都唔知佢有
Was he like a one night stand?
我都係啱啱識嘉華哥冇幾耐，佢教識我好多嘢㗎，係咪啊，嘉華哥？
哦，
Taught you a lot.
Sir，車度。
我都好想同
掂翻後生傾多陣嘅，但係咧我有啲事要走先，你哋傾啦。啊係啦，既然係嘉華嘅朋友，得閒嚟坐下。
James wouldn't want that. He doesn't look happy about that. Okay, so he's aggressive. Good that he's checking that nobody's there.
你搞咩啊？你點解喺度？你係邊個？
Who are you? Oh, definitely a one-night stand.
謝 Sir， 細力啲啦！我啱做嘢，工資又唔係好高，買套市井啲嘅西裝唔容易㗎。
答我問題啊！
陸光明，
陸光明。
廉政公署助理調查員。
What is
今日代表廉政公署
ICAC?
嚟參加優秀案例研討會。謝 Sir 啱啱喺台上發言呢，我都全部記低晒，一句不漏，字字珠璣。
Okay, he is a little, how do I say, a little
你尋
sassy.
晚特登接近我，
謝 Sir， 説話唔可以亂咁講㗎喎。中環下邊咁多間基吧，個個都係收收埋埋㗎啦。你琴晚都唔想俾人知㗎係咪？我係見到謝 Sir 今日喺台上面發言，先知道原來我哋兩個係咁有緣㗎喎。
Okay.
你有冇同其他人講過我哋嘅嘢？
I don't think so. Okay.
我哋嘅乜嘢嘢啊？好啦，琴晚我哋只係偶遇 ，for one night。不過謝 Sir， 琴晚我以為我哋兩個係兩情相悅，
Okay.
但係你就當我係163蚊就可以瞓一晚嘅鴨，
Okay, that's disrespectful.
會唔會孤寒咗啲啊？嚇！
我尋晚飲咗酒，我尋晚飲咗酒，我身上係得咁多啫。
唔緊要，我自己攞咪得咯。多得謝 Sir 你，如果唔係，好似你爹哋呢一種大人嘛，
So does he
有冇可能
want
會俾卡片我呢一種人啊？
money?
你嚟係為咗我爹哋嘅，
謝 Sir， 琴晚好似係你叫我飲酒先嘅喎，我又冇問你攞身份證嘅。好啦，你放心啦，呢啲嘢我係唔會爆響口嘅，咁對你對我都冇好處。
So he is definitely not sure about, I mean, not sure but not confident about his sexuality, like being gay. But he is.
我最近喺度跟緊一位探長，我懷疑佢同你哋啱啱破獲嘅販毒案有關。我想你俾呢件案嘅所有資料我。
販毒案係機密嚟嘅喎，而且有好多相關勢力未落網，我係冇可能俾你。如果你想查案嘅，攞你手頭上嘅資料俾我納入去販毒案一齊查。真係好似你咁講嘅話，我一定唔會放過佢。OK？
Not OK， 謝 Sir。
He's gonna blackmail him.
冇資源、冇背景、冇人脈嘅新人，查一件案唔係咁容易㗎。我就係指意呢一件案嚟升職㗎啦。
你唔係想查案，你係想攞我啲情報 變成你嘅人脈籌碼啫。講白啲，你咪揾着數，搏上位。
So what？
謝 Sir， 好似你呢一種天之驕子，又點會明白我哋呢啲平民？
聽住，由而家開始，我哋冇關係。尋晚嘅事，唔該你收聲，我當冇事發生過。
James has attitude。
唔好諗住攞我身份行咩職務之便，我最憎你啲咁嘅人。
謝 Sir， 一定要查九龍高級督察華探長。如果謝 Sir 有任何嘅消息，請第一時間話俾我知。如果你需要我嘅，我都會一直喺度。
And he is very clever. Seems like. Good with words.
喂，係咪九龍高級督察華探長？之前沙家幫俾你個女嘅嗰筆轉帳，你要快啲揾個理由啦。如果唔係，我驚華探長喺臨退休之前會晚節不保。
Okay. This guy. What is he doing? Praying? Why are there so many people?
Hello？ 你今日做咩啊？今日係個好日子，我
What
專
big
登
day？
安排咗正式嘅拜堂儀式，喺我哋嘅關二哥面前，今日你拜我做大佬，從此你就係我夏綠一世嘅好兄弟。
My brother for life? Brother? My guy.
兄弟一樂，
That's not happening. That's not happening. That's not
點解唔
happening.
問過我就做呢啲嘢？小馬講得啱，之前要你加入梟騎堂，太過草率啦，所以我今次一齊以最高規格辦。
No, he is not going to do that. And in front of so many people, he's going to reject it. Oh, that's embarrassing. Oh. Uh.
我講過一次，而家再講一次，我何初生永遠唔會做你後一條呢。
Don't touch him. But from Leah's perspective, it's like Chosun doesn't want to be close to him. But that's not the point. Chosun doesn't want to be your brother or underling. He wants to be your lover. But from Leah's perspective, this is a rejection. And a big one. He is sad about it. Of course he is upset.
何初生個仆街仔，軟眼都唔受。
點啊？你今次打定主意呢個？
你唔係話唔識睇數簿嘅咩？我先至去揾個文化人啫喎。
我係話揾個好似佢咁樣嘅文化。
Yeah, not
你如果真
him.
係想人哋中你條呢，冇咁易嘅。佢阿媽就係黑社會女死嘅。
True. Oh, he doesn't know that?
你講咩話？
He doesn't know that?
你唔知㗎？
I thought you
何
knew.
初生收養㗎。
What?
佢親生阿媽好靚女㗎，跟咗個古惑
That I
仔。
didn't know.
快生佢嗰陣時，佢老豆俾人當街斬死。佢阿媽早產，生咗佢，然後就走咗。跟住何醫生就收養咗佢。
Oh, he was adopted by Dr. He? I didn't know that.
最後一句説話就係：千祈唔好俾何初生碗黑社會。
Now he feels guilty about it. But I didn't know that he was adopted. I just knew that his mother was killed by the triad, so say sorry, Luya. What? Why are they ending like this? Why did they have to end it like that? Like on a cliffhanger. There was something like panic noise behind it where like someone was panicking or something. What's happening? I want to know now. But yeah, we got to know about Chosan's past, how his mother actually died and he is adopted by Dr. He. So Dr. He is not actually married. It seems like he had never married and now he's in love with Miss Faye. That's cute. That's actually so sweet. I want them to get married. I'm shipping them so much. But Chosan is literally down bad. My god, the dream. I really thought that it was actually like the actual first kiss we are getting, but no, it was a dream. When are we getting them together? Like we have 4 episodes left, so and we are having a season 2, so we will see them together as well. I love the girl. I don't remember his name, but the best friend of Liye. She is like always so stressed and always like, oh my god, this stupid idiot. I need to take care of him. I need to take care of the gang and everything. He's always making stupid decisions and stuff. She's really fun. And her second couple, like, oh my god. I see very like too much drama happening with them because one is like, James has an attitude, like kind of attitude where he thinks that he's above everyone. I see that. And Lu Guangming is more of kind of like, he's really clever. I can see that he's really clever and he knows how to get people in like kind of under control with his words. Like he works with his words really well, so it would be really interesting to see those two together. So yes, that was my reaction to what? Yeah, so yes, that was my reaction to episode 5 of Sammy's Children's Day. If you like my reaction, you can like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.